And what is being seen as a setback to Mayawati's UP government, the Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court has issued a notice to the Maya government on the statue building across the state. The High Court has asked whether the government required permission to construct statues and why the earlier High Court order had been violated. A PIL was filed in the High Court saying that the statues are a clear violation of traffic rules and also of an earlier order of the High Court which bans constructions of statues more than 3 feet tall at traffic crossings and city circles. Let's go across to Pranshu Mishra, our correspondent for the latest. Now, Pranshu, the Mayawati government has been under pressure for some time now after the statue building spree. How big a blow is this latest notice?
Well, clearly a big blow as far as the state government is concerned, and who is already dealing with a similar case in the Supreme Court, from where it has already got a notice to 4 weeks, and now again based on the basis of a PIL filed in Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court has clearly asked the state government to file the reply by 10th of June, seeking out the clarifications from the state government why these statues, in defiance of an early order of the High Court, been constructed at traffic signals and city circles, and in some places on the national highways. The court has also asked that in cases of the national highways, whether or not the state government got permission from the National Highways Authority of India, and if not, then why these statues have been constructed. So clearly, this is going to be a big blow for the state government. All these statues and at these prominent circles, they are up, and most of these statues, they range in between 10 to 12 feet. So clearly, it is a clear violation of the High Court order of the 1st June on 2005, in which order High Court has clearly banned construction more than 3 feet tall at the traffic circles and at various busy places, because they obstruct the traffic movement in those places.
Right.
So really, this is tough for the state government and furthermore embarrassment for the state government.
All right, thank you for that. Pranshu Mishra there with the latest.